It is lastly submitted by learned counsel for the appellant that if the appellants would have tied the victim's hands with a rope to a tree for 2 days, then in passage of such long period there would have been injuries in her hands. The victim was examined on 7/7/2020, that is on the date of her recovery itself, but no such injury has been found by Dr. Vinita Patel, PW5, while preparing MLC report Exhibit P11. Thus, there is no concrete evidence adduced by the prosecution, but learned trial court, without appreciating evidence in its true perspective, has held that appellant guilty, which is perverse and against the law, therefore, it deserves to be set aside / quest stop. Mr. Shikhar Sharma, learned counsel appearing for appellant Birju Nayak, while extending his support to the submission made by learned counsel for the appellant Puran Nayak, would further argue that main accused is Puran Nayak and allegation against accused Birju Nayak is that he had only helped him for abduction of victim. The victim herself has not stated against him that he has also made physical relation with her. It is further submitted that in test identification parade, White Exhibit P5, appellant Birju Nayak is said to be identified by the prosecutrix, but Exhibit P5 is a concocted document, as Dayalal PW11, who is said to be witness of Exhibit P5, has clearly denied about happening of such test identification parade in his presence. Rather, he has clearly stated that when he had gone to Tehsil office for his work, then on being asked by Tehsildar, he has put his signature on Exhibit P5 stop. Further, the Tehsildar Tikaram Deogan, PW11, himself has admitted in his cross-examination that during test identification parade, police were also present there. Hence, it cannot be accepted that it was conducted in accordance with law. Stop. It is further submitted that the evidence adduced by the prosecution is not trustworthy, despite that learned trial court, wrongly appreciating the same, has convicted the appellant, hence the impugned judgment is liable to be set aside. Stop. Para. Per contra, Mr. Wasim Mian, learned panel lawyer appearing for the state, supports the impugned judgment and submits that the learned trial court has passed the impugned judgment based on the evidence available on record, and no interference in the same is called for, therefore, these criminal appeals may be dismissed. Para. We have heard learned counsel appearing for the parties, peruse the impugned judgment and original record of the trial court. Stop. The first question for consideration before this court is whether on the date of incident the victim was minor, but with regard to her age on the date of incident, there is contradictory evidence. Stop. Father of victim PW2 has stated in his statement recorded under section 161 of the CRPC Exhibit D1 that on the date of incident, age of the victim was 17 years and 1 month, whereas In his deposition recorded in the court, he has stated her age as 16 years. Stop. He is illiterate person, comma, hence he could not have stated date of birth of victim. Stop.